JSPDF instance initialize its some properties like orientation, unit, and format. In this video, we learn in detail. At first, we include the properties, orientation. Okay. Orientation of the first page. The possible values are portrait or landscape. The type of orientation is string. Enter the value as a landscape or portrait, or in a short, L or P. L for landscape and P for portrait. Default, the orientation is portrait. Okay, portrait. Okay, now unit. Okay, its type is string. Measurement unit to be used when coordinates are specified. Possible values are point, millimeter, centimeter, inch, pixel. Okay, these are the possible values of units. Okay, formats. Its type is string or array. Default value is A4, but the format of the first page can be A0 to A10, B0 to B10, C0 to C10, DL, letter, and the following. Okay. A4. Now save this file and run this. Okay. Now open this A4 size PDF file and see. Okay. We can specify the format manually using an array. Okay. Enter the value. In centimeter. Okay. Now run this code and open and see the size of PDF file. Okay. Now change the coordinate of the text and see. Okay. Now we will run with the orientation in landscape. Okay.